This video is not for the girl who just had weight loss surgery. This is for the girl a little bit further out. Anybody who is living on the wah-wah of protein bars and protein shakes and the scale's not moving. You're doing all that calorie less thing and nothing's happening. Let's talk about artificial sweeteners, why they might be causing you to stall or even gain weight, because the science behind it is pretty fascinating and, to be honest, a little unsettling. When we taste something sweet, your body is assuming that it's getting a quick source of energy, calories. This would make sense because out in nature, when you have sweet stuff, it's usually fruit. But artificial sweeteners, no. They taste sweet, sometimes hundreds of times sweeter, depending on which one you're having. Nothing happens. Like, they don't deliver any energy. So nothing for your body to use. There's a 2023 study published in Cell Metabolism where they found that consuming artificial sweeteners like sucralose altered the way that participants' brains and guts responded to food. Another study from the Journal of Clinical Nutrition suggested that mismatch could increase cravings and affect the metabolism, even leading to somebody to just simply gain weight. So think about this. Your brain is like sweetness. This means energy. But when energy never comes, your body doesn't know how to react. This can confuse and disrupt all the hunger signals, even trigger insulin spikes, which can promote fat storage. In fact, certain sweeteners like sucralose and aspartame have been shown in studies to impact insulin levels, even though they're sugar-free. This is going to lead to stalls, cravings, all sorts of issues, especially for bariatric people. You work so hard to have this surgery, and now you're continuing to live on products like this after you can tolerate real food. Now, artificial sweeteners aren't just harmless little sugar swaps, because they will actually mess with your body's natural system, ways that we're only beginning to understand. And that's why I find focusing on a whole foods diet to be better for long-term success, because I don't want to diet. I've had weight loss surgery. I'm a professional dieter. I'm done with this part of my life, right? So if you're struggling, come join us. We have a free Facebook group. I do post recipes there, but I take a lot of questions and all that jazz. It's called the Bariatric Rewrite Private Group. But I'm also doing a free workshop on January 22nd where we're going to talk about transitioning to a whole foods diet to be a bariatric success story. We're going to talk about stalls. We're going to talk about working out, all those things. But either way, I would cool it on that. If you're stalled and the scale's not moving, you're an experiment. You've tried everything else. Try removing them. Save this video. Come back and tell me. And to the person who tells me I'm not a doctor, you're right. Go Google it yourself.